Hello, I'm so excited for you joining us this day for the Excel for Absolute Beginners course. This is a complete Excel tutorial course where we are going to take you an absolute beginner to a master. So we're going to go through a lot of things in Excel, and by the time you complete the course, you will know your way around Microsoft Excel. The course has been structured into various chapters, and each chapter too has a number of lessons. So we are going to begin with chapter 1 in this particular lesson. Chapter 1 is Introduction to Microsoft Excel, starting with lesson 1. Lesson 1 of chapter 1 is about getting started with Excel. So by the end of lesson 1, we expect you to know what a spreadsheet application is and examples of spreadsheet applications. We also expect you to know the various forms in which Microsoft Excel comes in. Then finally, how to start the Microsoft Excel application. So let's start our discussion. What is a spreadsheet application? When you say a spreadsheet application, it's basically any application at all that allows you to present or analyze data in the form of tables. So if you have any little experience with Excel at all, or if you've ever come across Microsoft Excel at all, you know very well that the data that is presented in Excel is in the form of tables, and we are going to learn more about them. But the definition for a spreadsheet application is any application that presents the data in a form of a table, and this can be for the purposes of analysis or for purposes of storage. And the two popular examples of spreadsheet applications that you come across is one, Microsoft Excel, which we are learning in this course. Then the second one is Google Sheets. These are the two most popular spreadsheet applications available that you are likely to come across. Then Microsoft Excel also comes in 3 different forms as it stands now. The first form is the mobile app form. So there is a mobile app for Microsoft Excel that you can use. And depending on the phone that you are using, you can look for it in the respective App Store. So here I am on Google Play Store showing you the app Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So you can equally download this, and it's for free. You can download it onto your phone. There is also what we call the web version of Excel, and this is what it looks like. When I say web version, what it means is that you are able to access that particular application using your web browser. Once you are connected to the internet, you can have free access to Excel. The last one is the software, the desktop application one. That is something you would have to install on your computer. For the most part of this course, we are going to be working with the desktop application. So I have already installed it on my desktop. So you would also have to go ahead and install it on your desktop. If you don't know how to install it, basically go online, go to getintopc.com and search for Office Suite or Microsoft Office Suite. Microsoft Office Suite is a collection of all those tools. We have Excel, we have Word, PowerPoint, and the likes. There are quite a number of tools in there, so you can get any of them. However, I currently have it installed on my phone. So let me quickly show you how you can access them. So to access the web version, all you need is the URL excel.new, and that will help you create a new Excel file. Mind you, you need to be logged into a Microsoft account to have access to it. I am currently logged into my Microsoft account. So if you aren't logged in, let me simulate that with a private window. If I do excel.new in incognito mode, I'm going to be directed to a sign-in page, as you see, and I'll have to sign in into my Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, then you would have to create a new one. Microsoft accounts usually are emails that ends with at hotmail.com or at live.com or at outlook.com. So if you have any of those, you can easily log in. If you don't have any of them, then quickly create one before you proceed. The other URL that you can use to access Excel web is, you can try excel.office.com. excel.office.com should also take you directly into Excel. The good thing about Excel web is that everything that you save here or the spreadsheets that you create here will be stored directly into your OneDrive account. So the files are on the cloud and you can have access to it on any other computer that you operate. But just as I said, in the focus of this lesson will be using Excel, the desktop application. So quickly let me open. To open Excel, just click on your Windows key on your keyboard if you are using a Windows PC, or you are just searching. So search for the name of the application, that is Excel. What is installed on mine is Excel, the version 2016 version. So you may equally have a different version installed on yours. And the first time you open Excel, this is the interface that you get. You have quite a number of templates available together with tutorials that you can equally learn from. And these are showing you some files that are on this PC that you can also have access to, or recently opened spreadsheets files, okay, that are available on your computer. So basically, that is the spreadsheet application, that is the introduction to Excel, and we are going to get deeper into it in the next lesson. So I'll see you in the next one.